We have heard something about the monies being collected and what you get from abroad,
Abroad, yeah.
but we haven't heard much about
The
it in terms of
distribution,
right
yeah.
distribution and use of it.
What do you think about the government tax it after a major hurricane?
Well, it's very hard, because after Melissa Category 5 hurricane, it's very hard. Got people trying to get themselves back together.
Yeah,
But if the taxes are going to be used to help, like those down in Western Jamaica,
yeah.
by getting more taxes helping those in Western Jamaica, St. Elizabeth, St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland, good, that would be good if you are going to use the taxes to help them.
Yeah,
Because you say, well, okay, getting some more money to help out
yeah.
the unfortunate ones. But you're not going to do that. It is a strain on everybody's pockets.
All right. So you say I'm gonna tax things like cigarette, rum, and most noticeably the sugary drink. So you feel like him just a target the things and what we buy often, or them actually care about our health?
Well, I think the sugary drinks. Well, I don't know if taxing the sugary drinks going to help, but 'cause people just love them sweet drinks still,
Yeah,
and still even when tax it, it may cost less than the drinks than the regular natural drinks.
yeah,
So taxing sugary drink is to help you to cut off and stop buying the sugary drinks. That is a plus there. But will people stop? I don't think so.
yeah,
So I don't think taxing it, no matter how many tax and sugar drink, going to help.
yeah,
I swear, even cigarette and rum, they tax it as much and still people still buy it. So
yeah.
I
So
don't
you don't
see.
feel like say the money what target
Uh,
take time. No, so people are gonna buy regardless.
right, so the government will get more money from it.
Yeah,
But the thing is, though, when they get more money, what use will they use it for?
yeah,
If they use it to help benefit poor people, to fix the roads, fix the street light them,
yeah,
and water problem and
yeah,
those things, that is good. But if you're just going to take it and throw it where in what you call the consolidated fund and bury it and people are no longer get the benefit of it, it
yeah.
doesn't make sense. You
Yeah.
know.
So with the state of the economy and the cost of living, we go through it every day. So you feel like Jamaica can really manage the new tax?
Um, right now we can't, but it's a it seems like it's a bullet that we have to go and bite right now because
Yeah.
things hard and you say don't always smash up. But the thing is though, we have heard much about we have heard something about the monies being collected and what you get from abroad,
Abroad, yeah.
but we haven't heard much about
The
it in terms
distribution,
of right
yeah,
distribution and use of it,
yeah,
and it should be really used to help people in the Western Jamaica who have been badly damaged,
yeah,
and others in the central area who have been damaged too, like some parts of Clarendon and Manchester,
yeah, yeah,
but and even Centon and Trelawney. But
yeah.
if it's not going to use be beneficial to the people, to the public, it is not good.
Oh,
It is not good at all. It,
much
so that's
respect. Yeah,
much respect. Thanks. Take care.
yeah, man. The channel